Hey guys, what's going on? I just want to take a quick look here at Ethereum. This isn't a coin that I cover very often on this channel, but we are at a pretty important level. And if we break the current resistance zone that we're at, I think we're going to have some pretty big bullish momentum to the upside. So yeah, I just want to cover the coin right now just so you know what to look for in the event that I'm unable to get another update video out in time before the breakout happens. Anyway, as usual, before I get into the details on the chart, a couple things. First, if you're not subscribed, just click subscribe, click the bell, click on all if you want to get notified when I release new content. If you click away without doing that, you may have a hard time finding the channel again because it's a relatively new channel, pretty low subscriber count, and yeah, due to that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. Also, if you want a place to trade Ethereum and pretty much any of the other coins I talk about on this channel, I put the links to 3 different exchanges in both the pinned comment and the description. And yeah, if you click those and sign up, you'll get pretty good sign up bonuses. Anyway, let's get into the chart here. So these are the key levels that I have marked. And if you're trading Ethereum, I recommend that you put these on the chart yourself. So the first level I recommend that you draw on the chart is obviously this upsloping level of support. We have multiple touches on it. And this right now, where we are right now, it's serving as the level of support still, right? We broke below it, but we came back above. And yeah, now this is the support zone, right? The second level of support that is underneath us right now is this horizontal line. And you can take a horizontal trend line and just draw it based on the top of these candle bodies here. So you see this level was also resistance right here. When we came above it, it served as support for about a month or so because these are weekly candles, dipped slightly below it. And then when we finally broke below it impulsively, when we came up, this was the rejection point, right? So we went from a support to a resistance. And over here, we broke above it. The breakout was basically a false breakout. And then ever since then, for about 3 months or so, this level was the resistance, right? So now that we are above it, it is a support level. Now, the resistance level, the local resistance level, is right here at around 2,150, and that is based on the top of these candle bodies right here. And not only that, it was also the support level right here as we had this wick down to it. So support is now resistance and is now resistance once again, okay? And then also we had this down sloping level of resistance, but we've already broken out of this, and I don't think we're going to end up coming back to it, so I don't think this is relevant anymore unless the price dumps all the way back down here below $1,000. But given where we are in a cycle, I don't think that's happening, right? So the level I wanted to point out to you guys is just right here, 2,100, and it's around 2,150. And what you want to look for, a weekly candle body closing above this level, I would take that as basically a buy signal, and then I would place my stop loss below these two levels of support, this upsloping level of support and this horizontal level of support that I just mentioned. And yeah, off that entry, I would target these higher levels. Okay, so the first one is going to be around 2,500. So actually, I'm just going to mark it live for you right now. I'm going to take a horizontal ray and I'll just mark that right here. So first level of resistance about 2,500, and then beyond that, and I think if we do start closing weekly candle bodies above here, I think we'll likely make our way to this higher target right here. So I'll take it once more and just mark that out right up here at around over $3,500. And also we can do one more. So identify the lows of these candle bodies right here and just put your horizontal right there. Okay, so if we're able to close a weekly candle body above here, you know what, even a daily candle, let's look at the daily. Even a daily candle body close above here would be a very good sign. And now that I switched to the daily, you can see, as I mentioned on the weekly, I've said that this upsloping level of support and this horizontal level of support is basically propping up the price. And as we had this retrace, this is exactly where we got support, right? So right now we're in this zone where this upsloping trend line is the support, and this right here is the resistance. And if we stay within this zone and just consolidate here, we're likely going to end up forming an ascending triangle formation, which is bullish. And then if that happens, I'm going to get even more confident in this trade breaking to the upside. Now, obviously, if we just kind of consolidate around here, but this level breaks to the downside, then we're going to come down here to this horizontal support, and that's 1,950. But then if we come below it with candle bodies closing below it, then this line right here is going to be the resistance, right? So we want to keep this level intact. We want to stay above here, okay? Now, daily candle close above here, ideally a weekly candle, but what's happening right now is the market's moving so fast. So while you're waiting for the weekly candle body to close above here, it could be that we just get a quick move up, right? So if you want to take advantage of that, maybe enter on the daily time frame on a confirmation of a candle body close above here, and you can place your stop loss below. If you place your stop loss below here, there's a good chance you might get wicked out, but that's just basically the name of the game, right? First target on the break is going to be, again, around $2,500, the first level of resistance right here. I'm going to put this back out to the weekly just so I can make these levels make more sense to you. Next level beyond the $2,500 range is going to be right here. So this level was a support, and then it was resistance right here. So just because we have the previous history right here, I anticipate some sellers are going to be looking at that, and they may look to basically take shorts or sell right here, and that's slightly over $3,000. And then beyond that, next target is going to be about slightly over 3,500. So 2,500, 3,000, and 3,500 if we're able to get through this current level of resistance, which is around $2,140, right? So daily candle body close above here, a great sign. Weekly candle body close above here, a even better sign. That's going to cue me to take a long position, and then these are going to be my local near-term targets on Ethereum. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully everything made sense to you. Just to recap, these are the targets pending a breakout here. If the price, however, breaks down from this upsloping level of support, then look to this level right here at around 1950. And then if this level breaks down, then that's going to be annoying, right? I'll make a new video if we break below this horizontal level of support. Anyway, hopefully you found that helpful. Once again, if you're not subscribed, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all if you want to get updates from me. And yeah, if you want to place to trade Ethereum or any of the other coins I talk about, check out the links in the pinned comment and the description for some sign-up bonuses. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.